Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this simple drink that can help you to tighten your vagina. Either you just put to bed or you just want to tighten that V area. Then this recipe that I want to share is something very quick and simple will help you tighten that, because tight is make you like a virgin again. Okay, so before I get on to how to do it, let me share with you the nutritional benefits of taking this peanut water. Okay, so basically groundnut water contains is rich in monounsaturated fat, and this fat emphasizes on helping your heart to be healthy. It gives you a healthy heart. And this peanut drink as well, you get, is a good source of vitamin E, niacin, folate, protein, manganese. In addition, it's provide phenolic antioxidant, and this particular antioxidant is also found in red grapes and in red wine as well. So you see, you have a lot of benefit drinking this. I mean, you will just wonder, like, so this peanut contains this much. All right, so okay, let's continue on how to do this. All right, okay, so now we're using 1 cup of peanuts to do this. I mean, this is raw peanut, so you get a raw peanut. And to do this, another way to do this is by soaking the peanuts overnight. Sometimes you can soak it for 2 days, then the second or the third day you drain out the water and you drink it. So whichever way is okay for you, but I prefer the cooked one. So you cook it and drain out the water. Okay, so I prefer it that way instead of soaking it, though they both work similar way. All right, to make this recipe, we take it and put in 1 cup of at least 2 cups of water. What I have here is 2 cups of water. Then I will boil it for at least, simmer it for at least 30 minutes. So after that, you see the water, then we drain it out and you have this beautiful peach color. So, and the secret about this is that after draining this first one, you can add water again to the pot, to cook again the groundnut, to still get some juice, as in some juice out of it as well. Okay, you're not adding salt to it. Okay, so allow it to get cool down. Then you take 1 glass of water, 1 glass of it in the morning and another one in the evening. Okay, this will help. You're doing this for just 5 days. Remember, 5 days. If you do it more than 5 days, that means you want to close the place permanently, and I don't think you want to do that. So all you need is just 5 days to do this, morning and evening, and you stop that. Then you can do it again, maybe next 1 month again, or in another, maybe next 2 months again. Just make sure that at least you don't do it more than 5 days. All right, so that you don't close down the place and be having too much pain when you're doing to do. Okay, so do this and come back and share the testimony with me. All right, this recipe, I mean, this simple thing, okay, it's one thing I love doing, especially when you just put to bed, to help you to tighten that place. Everything will just, so you don't need to do too much stress. And though we do with pelvic exercises, Kegel exercise as well. When you're sitting down, you do it. Lying down, you do it. Sleeping, you do it, at least to support the abdomen, the pelvic muscles. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Okay, for more recipes like this guy, don't throw it away. You can just eat it, because I'm not going to throw my own away. Okay, just eat it and enjoy yourself. All right, share with your friends and your loved ones, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more video like this, and don't forget the thumbs up. Until next time I come your way, my name is still Marymatt, and I talk health. So go and enjoy your peanut drink for that tight VJJ. Bye.